The students should take the benefit of the session that is organized and understand the various opportunities that are available in the IT industry. It is a sector that will always continue to grow with a new technology and latest innovation coming up with the regular intervals. Today, the Goa University has invited angel investor to give the select startup opportunity to present their ideas and pitching session. To understand that you play a very important part in the development of our economy. With innovation, you can create new avenues for yourself, and with a startup, you can contribute to the growth of our Goan economy.
That we have in Goa University over the past year brought together 4 of our well-established teaching programs in economics, in management studies, in commerce, and in computer science and information technology. And we've brought them all together to form the Goa Business School. In its very short existence, the Goa Business School has already shown that it is doing really wonderfully new things. But we in Goa University for the past 33 years, we have tried to suggest that Goa is much more than a place merely of fun and frolic.
The event today is one such step towards helping these companies realize their dreams. This is just the beginning, and as a facilitator, I would like to bring more such opportunities to help our startups grow in turn, and in turn create an ecosystem in which Goa becomes an attractive destination for IT industries.